If your image is slightly tilted, there's actually a quick and easy way to straighten it in Affinity. Let me show you how. I already have a photo here, and as you can see, it's a bit tilted. The tree isn't standing straight, and neither is the surrounding area. To make it easier, I'll use the tree as my reference. To start, I select the crop tool. I'll go to the context toolbar and click this icon called Straighten. Or I can simply hold down the Ctrl key on my keyboard. Then I'll left click on the tree, drag along its direction, and release. Now you can see the image has rotated automatically. The tree is straight, and the whole photo looks much better aligned. Once I'm happy with the result, I just click the Apply button here or press Enter on my keyboard to confirm. And that's how to quickly straighten a tilted image. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye.